Hey Brian, this is Adrien Moore from Loganville Ford. Received your email about your interest in our 2015 Dodge Ram 3500. This does have the Cummins engine, 33,000 miles, 6.7 liter engine. This truck is in the wrapper, still like new, 33,000 miles, price right to sell. Brian, this is a beauty. 2015, 33,000 miles. Sharp truck. This truck will get the job done, Brian. Let me show you the inside. Nice wood trimming going throughout this truck. Seats are like new. Wood trimming on the steering wheel. Laramie badging. Nav, backup cam, dual climate control. Let me show you the back, Brian. Heated seats in the back. All-weather floor mat, still brand spanking new. There you have it, Brian. This is Adrien Moore, Loganville Ford. Got the keys to that 4x4 Dodge Ram 3500 Laramie. It is available. Don't miss out on a great deal, Brian. Give me a call, 770-554-9994. Hope this is helpful for you to make your decision. I look forward to working with you, Brian. You have a great day. I look forward to hearing from you. Adrien Moore, Loganville Ford. Have a great day.